In the trap is Wade. Now Wilson in front for Yarncroke. Bounced away. Jerome McGinley with the out, and that bounces off the skate of Duchesne. Branson has it right up the middle now for Santorelli. His shot blockered away. Holden bothered there by Bourque, as the Predators really are being very stubborn about putting the pressure on in the Colorado end. McKinnon with a shot tipped in. Heading to the net was Ryan O'Reilly. He may have redirected it. And the Avs strike first at 3:57.
Going to see O'Reilly carry this through neutral ice. Ultimately, he's going to lay it off to McKinnon. McKinnon's going to grab it and just step in and throw kind of an off-speed shot. Almost a bit of a knuckler. There's a better angle. And it may have gone off of Yossi's skate. It goes off Yossi's skate, ricochets in behind Rinne. So very quickly, Rinne goes from thinking...
Colorado's first shot on net only ended up there because of a ricochet off a Predator. It's 1-0 Avs. 3:57 into the game. Now Yarncroke with the break. Hayda hustling back. Yarncroke ties it up at 4:12.
Way than Calle Yarncroke just did. Terrific play by him. Watch him front the point. Creates his own rebound. Puck is turned over. He's on a breakaway from the center red line, and a terrific move. From backhand over to forehand, and then he just elevates up and out of the reach.
On the reach there of Barrie. Barrie pressured by Neal. Quickly up for Max Talbot. Talbot breaking in, shot, rebound, wild bounce, came off the side for Tanguay. Everberg. Mitchell lost it in the corner. Tanguay got it back for them. To the blue line, Elliott's shot broken up in front. Santorelli's pass bouncing away from Wilson. Boy, Wilson is shoulder to shoulder there with Stewart. Puck taken by Santorelli. Santorelli breaking a backhander is stopped as he pretty much got run into the goaltender. Trying to get to it. Stewart sends it in. Avs tag up. Here come the Predators trying to catch the Avs on the transition. Weber, the shot off the chest of Varlamov. Goes to that dirty area in front of the net. Puck is stolen away by Bourque. Here comes Bourque. Breaking in shorthanded. Bourque. And the puck rolled off his stick.
Bumping that in and behind the defender. He has to put it into a bad spot, taking himself further from the net.
Another penalty call coming up here against Colorado. Rebound in front. And the try, no. 2 whacks at it before the Avs can get possession. Power play. 4-on-4 for 15 seconds, but taken away by Yarncroke. Yarncroke from the right side. Juggled there by Varlamov before he was able to contain it. And it slipped off the blade of Matthias Ekholm's stick at the blue line.
Tough play. Ekholm is looking up ice after receiving that Yarncroke play. Takes his eye off it.
Back to Colin Wilson, a shot. Trouble with the rebound in front. Predators can't get it home. For Franson, that blocked by Mitchell.
Smart little puck play there, right around the perimeter, partly with a great pass.
Oh, and jabbed right on in front with Forsberg as Varlamov was left alone. Everberg had Tanguay cutting in, so too Mitchell, but it's taken away by Craig Smith. Predators come up ice, 4-on-2. Smith from the right side, he scores! Craig Smith puts the Predators in front, 2-1 at 4:32 of the second.
Well, Fisher and company do a great job down low. Look at this, sealing it off is Roman Josi. Turnover, Fisher, and then the group is on the move. Smith collapses to collect this, and then he's just going to pound it from the top of the circles. And I mean pound it. Far side. Here's the angle right here. Up, over the pad, under the blocker.
And before Duchesne can get it, the Predators poke it over to Philip Forsberg. Forsberg takes the return pass from Ribeiro. Flips it around, the defense goes in, and it was left off the right pad of the goaltender Varlamov. Here the bodies pretty well readjusting the boards. Jan Hayda into the skates of Elliott. Tip right back for Santorelli. You talk about an egregious turnover. That qualifies right at the top of that list.
I recommend the palm.
I was there last trip. Back of the net, stolen away, and Ribeiro with the shot that Varlamov is able to handle.
Determination, his ability to pursue, to create turnovers, that's what feeds the offense, especially the transition. There again, another glorious example.
Josi a blast, rebound in front. Avs Landeskog able to dig it out.
I think Mike Santorelli, you just notice his speed when he's out there. He's got that quick first step and he gets involved in the play.
Well, sorry, coach, but off the faceoff, Roman Josi just threw one in the upper right-hand corner.
Josi gets his 11th of the year, draw one back. Not even one to Josi, gets to him inadvertently. He throws it through all kinds of traffic. Of course, you see no reaction.
Hold the puck cleanly, retrieves. Across now, Elliott takes it off the board. From back of the net. It's sent back out for Elliott. Quick wrister, held by Pecorine. After Nathan McKinnon got a goal on a strange deflection in the first 4 minutes of play to give Colorado the lead. Is back at it out of there by Colorado.
He loves to shoot from there. I'll tell you what, if you've watched tape on this group at all, you've got to close on Forsberg. When he's given the puck there, top of the circles, he's going to make a strong first move.
Weber makes a strong move. Berg on that half wall. Fisher in front of the net. Goes to the other side. Forsberg twists it back through Josi to Weber. On his stick, and the blast handled by Varlamov. Tanguay and Mitchell, penalty-killing forwards for Colorado. 26 seconds remain in the advantage for Nashville. Oh, Wilson is rocked in the corner by Hayden.
There's that, too. There's that, too.
No icing here. Stewart left and getting turned around there right in front for Weber. And into the breadbasket of Semyon Varlamov.
20 goals in each of those seasons. Only 7 current players have accomplished that.
The pump it in. Philip Forsberg turns around. It's 4-1. Hey.
Digs it out. Forsberg, or rather Neal, pries that loose out of the feet of Ribeiro. Right over to Forsberg. Forsberg will collect it, pivot, fire, and before Varlamov has a chance to react, up and over the shoulder it goes. I'm not sure.
From the point by Stewart. Josi carries. His shot, rebound in front, and a try there for Neal, or Cullen. Fed back out to Weber, hammered to the corner by Stewart. Fisher back toward Cullen, chopped away from Fisher by Hayden. Duchesne with the veteran Iginla. Toward the net, steered away. Swing back is Ekholm. Good move on his part with Iginla right on the puck. Duchesne to the point, holding a shot, and that one handled by Rinne, not held on. Play continued, down 3. So really giving a big advantage on the power play with possession firmly established. Well, Rinne turns one around and then a second one, and then the third rebound try dribbles to the corner. The shot did not get through. Landeskog tried to tip it. Nystrom spins on the left side and drills it down into the open net. That'll make him pay for it.
Defensive support down low. See there, he's down with the attempted block. Comes off the pad of Rinne. He goes around the other side. Throws it hard. Looks to me like he takes a little peek for the net.
Flipped in, knocked down. Elliott trying to get a shot. Does! And then Tanguay is stoned by Pecorine. Away from Iginla. Santorelli chased down that puck. Got it smartly to Calle Järnkrok. Järnkrok moving in. Tried to go after his own rebound, which was covered up by Varlamov. As the puck is slipped down toward the corner. Flipped over. Back up ice come the Avs. McKinnon shot. Pad save Rinne. Backhands it in. Up the wall right side. Weber. On to Berra. Rebound. Put out in front. Predators got another shot. They had about 3 tries there. Low right side. Way out to the point. Holden uses the skate. Tanguay for Duchesne. Duchesne put it around in front, and Mitchell got the shot away and put it in past Pecorine.
Puck is thrown around the outside. Holden on the right point side does a great job holding this one in. Then it's down the back of the net. Franson's responsible for Duchesne. He loses position. on Duchesne. Duchesne makes this play out to the front.
7 seconds remaining as they try to track it down. And that will do it. The Predators defeat the Colorado Avalanche here tonight.